have a bit of a confession to make. I've been putting off videos because I haven't gotten my hair cut. It needs a good proper cut, but that's not today. Today, we're working on suspension. But to do that, I've got to put this on camera. So, not be blinded by the light. So, what we're doing today is suspension. It's suspension. I'm going to use my jack the car up, obviously. I'm not just going to use it from not. Jack the car. I have to jack the car up, check the back and the right, left, or back, right, and left suspension. Because yesterday I put coilovers on. I got some creaks going on. Yeah, that's why it's faced backwards. Don't read my tag. I'm not. So what I need to do is I've got to take these jacks, slide them underneath here, get everything going, and jacked up in the air. Take the wheels off one side at a time because I don't have my quick jacks. The loudest vehicle in any garage is the jack. I hope this goes well. Something's loose. Oh. I did. Forget to tighten that down. So here are the coilovers. There's the springs down there. Okay. There's the shock. The stiffness adjuster that I need to make. But I think I found my issue. Here's my issue. Hopefully. When I put these on, I forgot to tighten that down. So I think the shock was moving. So let's go. Remote. The freaking wrench for that. Yep. That's the small one. I'm clumsy. So I found a loose part when I put the suspension in over the last couple days. I've been doing this on like zero sleep. So I forgot to tighten down the lock screw like a smarty. And I think that's what's making the noise. And then we'll go for a ride. I'm going to tighten it down. Then we'll see if that's what it was. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. That's what it was. So first I'm going to hand tighten it as best I can. Right. Then what this tool is going to do, it's going to lock into one of these grooves. That's just gonna have to do. So now I'm going to put the tire back on, do the other side, see if I've messed anything up over there. Then we're gonna go for a ride. You need some good grip. Firehawk Indy 500s. Very good price. For very good, relatively good grip. I'm sure somebody's gonna say something about how I do this, or the tools that I use, or blah, 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 blah. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Hey, this side's good. It's not loose. Let's put the tire back on and go for a test drive. You know, this would be a good time to subscribe. Drop down. Hit the button. You know what to do. Alright, let's get the jack down. This is like the most sketchy part ever. The most sketchy. Okay. We're good. We're good. Now, but there we go. That was crazy. The cold start on this thing is just bonkers. I use this for my glass. I use this because I have a hood dump. A hood exit wastegate dump tube, and this is my rain protector for it. Let's roll with that. No creek so far. I got a pretty crazy driveway. Solid. that'll be our next video. Tune in to see how the hell I fix that. Great. One thing to the next. Great. Alright, I'll see you guys next episode. We'll figure this out.